Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip6, and today I'll show you how you can copy your contacts from the SIM card to the phone. Started, open up your standalone contacts application, like this one right over here, and then navigate to the, manage contacts. Yep, there we go. So once again, click on the three bars right here. For me it does say N for something new, but whatever. And then select manage contacts and then import contacts. And select allow. It asks you where you want to import your contacts from. I will be choosing my SIM card. This will then display all the contacts that are on the SIM card. You can quickly select all of them by clicking right over here. You can also deselect ones that I just say you don't want. Click on done. It then asks you where you want to import your contacts to. I have two options, phone and the Google account. Now, depending on how many accounts you have, they will all be listed right here. So you can choose whichever one you want, or you can obviously import it to the device itself, which is what I will be selecting. And now, when we go back, we should have all our contacts visible right here. Now, I do want to point out one thing. I believe that the Samsung contacts do display contacts from the accounts along with the phone all at the same time, so you might have duplicate contacts showing up. If you have any kind of problems with duplicate contacts showing up, I could also recommend maybe checking out the contacts by Google themselves, and in there you can actually choose where you're displaying contacts from, which gives you a bit more organized look. Anyway, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.